If equipped, blind spot monitoring, or BSM, uses two sensors in the rear bumper to let you know when other drivers enter your blind spot zones from the rear, front, or side. When you start the engine, the BSM warning light will shine in both outside mirrors to confirm activation. The BSM detection zone covers about one lane on either side of you. The zone starts at each outside mirror and extends back toward the rear. The system activates when your speed reaches about 6 miles per hour or 10 kilometers per hour. If an object enters the blind spot zone from either side of the vehicle, the BSM lights will appear in your outside mirrors. A warning will also be issued if a driver comes up from behind and enters the rear detection zone with a relative speed of less than 30 miles per hour or 48 kilometers per hour, or if you use your turn signal in a direction the system senses another driver in the detection zone. If the difference in speed between you and the other driver is greater than 10 miles per hour or 16 kilometers per hour, a warning will not be issued. Be sure to keep the rear bumper free of snow, mud, or other debris to ensure proper operation. Don't block the area with foreign objects like bumper stickers or bicycle racks. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.